Okay, so Nepal is dealing with one of its deadliest disasters in years and have just turned down help from India, China, and any other country who have offered to send rescue teams. On the 26th of August, a massive flash flood just wipes through the India-China border. We're talking the 72-kilometer stretch of the Trishuli River. Dozens of villages gone. Death toll have already crossed 400. More than 1,000 people are still missing. Numbers are literally rising every hour. This went down the Bhote Koshi Gorge, right on the Nepal-Tibet border into Nepal's Rasuwa district. Now, this is not just some random spot. This is a major route used by the people to travel between Kathmandu and Lhasa. And this is not just about Nepal. India got 290 people they can't reach. More than 29 of them are from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. China have reported more than 558 plus people missing. 260 of them are foreign nationals. The US confirmed more than 90 plus people missing. A lot of them were actually pilgrims heading to Kailash Mansarovar in Tibet. Along with people, countless animals, pets, wildlife, livestock were swept away in the flood. So this is now a full-blown international situation. And here's the wild part. No rain warning, nothing. So scientists believe that it is done by a glacier, which is believed to be 600 plus meter wide, which collapsed and fell more than a kilometer down in the mountain. Basically, a glacier just gave up and took everything downstream with it. Nepal have now actually said no to rescue teams from India, China, and everyone who have offered. They said their own army can handle the situation. Apparently, this decision actually goes back to the 2015 earthquake, when too many foreign countries showed up and it turned into a chaos instead of a hell. So instead, they have set up their own emergency team. So they are basically telling the world to send money and not manpower.